Hi everyone, welcome to the reporting header and footer configuration tutorial for Xoro. Basically in this quick guide we're going to go through how to set up header and footers for all your reports in the system. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull up this module from within the search here. And basically from this module, I can select which header and footers I want to control. So basically, if I want to set a footer for my invoice reports, I can basically select invoice and I can put in a footer here. As you can see, you can add a lot of footers. Basically, you can add quite a bit of text here for all the modules within the system. So I'm going to go ahead, click Save, click OK. And now every time I print an invoice within the system, it's going to have this in the footer.